Johnny, this is Matt, and we're looking at your transmission tore down on our bench. Right here is where the main part of the damage occurred. These two drums, this first one, the direct drum, rides against this part right inside here, which is called the end cover. And on the end of this, there's a bearing that got disintegrated. It rides between the drum and it rides between the end cover stator. All these pieces right here came out of there. These are pieces of a Torrington bearing and a race, and it got ground up between these two parts. Also, this next drum that sits over it is damaged on the inside, and the metal got on the outside. Chunks of metal got between the outer part of this drum right here and chewed into it where the band rides. And the reason that happened is, as you look inside here, you can see all the chunks of metal that are just embedded metal to metal right inside the band. That's all those silver shiny steel spots in there. And then what happened is, this is the drum that had the clutches that were burning up in third gear. That's these clutches right here, the direct clutches and the direct drum. So this is where the damage was centered, and that metal has gone and contaminated the entire transmission on the inside, including the solenoids and your valve body. So that valve body is going to have to be rebuilt as well. And then your torque converter, which is over here, is going to need to be replaced as well because it's contaminated and there's no way to clean it and there's no way to get the metal out of it. In any case, this is your damage, and we'll send the along with this video, we'll send along the PDF of your estimate.
Alright, Clifton, this is our hot flush machine. This is flushing a transmission out right now. It's not hooked up to your car at the moment, but you can see the lines go up and they connect to the cooler lines of the transmission, and then the lines pump the hot transmission fluid. Right now the fluid is up to about 179 degrees. It's pumping through it about 40 pounds of pressure. It's on looks like a 60-minute cycle, and it is reverse flushing air pressure from the shop that's connected to the machine. Every 3 seconds it reverse flushes a pulse of air through there for turbulence. On the flow meter we can see we're flowing 4 gallons per minute, and of course when we're through flushing lines on your transmission, yours will flow like this as well, and the lines will be completely clean and the cooler will be completely clean for your transmission, and no debris or metal will then get back into the new transmission. That's our hot flush.